divided by x cosine x plus sin x. X cosine x plus sin x equal square root 1 plus x square x divided over 1 plus x square cosine x plus sin x over 1 plus x square. Return to this triangle to reduce this form. This is theta x 1 square root 1 plus x square. X over 1 plus square root 1 plus x square. This is cosine theta. Cosine x 1 divided over 1 square root 1 plus x square. This is sin theta. Sin x square root 1 plus this is the numerator equal square root 1 plus x square cosine x minus theta equal square root 1 plus x square cosine x minus theta. This is inverse tan inverse tan 1 over x. The denominator will be 1 plus x square cosine square x minus inverse tan 1 plus x. So we can reduce the integral by equal x square plus 2 dx divided by x square plus 1 cosine square x minus inverse tan 1 over x. Let u equal x minus inverse tan 1 over x. Differentiate both sides. Du equal 1 minus 1 plus 1 over x whole square minus 1 over x square dx. Du will be 1 plus 1 plus x square one dx. This will be x square plus 2 divided by x square plus 1 dx. This is d. return to the original integral. This is equal. This is du. I will be du cosine square u equal I equal integrate sec square u du. I equal integrate square sec square u equal tan u. Substitute u. I equal tan x minus tan inverse tan 1 over x equal tan x minus 1 over x divided by 1 plus tan x divided x. I equal multiply it numerator and numerator by x. Numerator will be x tan x minus 1 divided by x plus tan x equal x sin x over cosine x minus 1 x plus sin x cosine x. Multiply it numerator and numerator by cosine x. I will be x sin x minus sin x x cosine x plus sin x plus constant. Finished.